3, 2, 1, action. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy the content and that you subscribe and click on the bell to get notified of new videos. So I usually don't come out on my videos because I'm camera shy, but today's video is very special because it is my first collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Victoria Jolie. She has a beautiful baby girl and she uploads a video every Friday. Her content includes mommy routines and vlogs, parenting tips, cleaning motivation, and cooking. Make sure you visit her channel and subscribe and leave a comment. Let her know that I, Laura, sent you. So today's video is going to be how to make baby food from scratch. So let's go ahead and get started and I will see you in my next video.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. Oceans